Sustainability shouldn't be a luxury. Join me as I uncover practical, budget-friendly solutions for living a more eco-conscious life in today's world, proving that green living is accessible to everyone. Hey friends, welcome back to Minimal Earth Life. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart and essential for our planet's well-being: sustainable living. But let's face it, sometimes the term sustainable can sound a bit fancy and maybe even out of reach for some of us. That's why I'm here to break down this myth that sustainable living is only for the privileged few. It's time to show the world that sustainability is a lifestyle that anyone can embrace regardless of their financial situation. Picture this: you're strolling through an upscale store browsing rows of products labeled organic, eco-friendly, or sustainable, and you can't help but notice that these items often come with a higher price tag. It's not uncommon to assume that sustainable products are mainly for those who can afford it. But what if there was a way to live a greener life without breaking the bank? What if I told you that you could make a significant impact on the environment without spending a fortune? Well, it is possible, and today I'm going to show you how. So how can we make sustainability work for everyone? Well, let's break it down into 3 simple categories that will show you how to adopt a sustainable lifestyle on a budget. Let's start with creative DIY solutions. This is where your imagination runs wild. Imagine transforming old glass jars into beautiful candlesticks. Breathe new life into worn-out jeans by turning them into stylish tote bags. And instead of discarding broken appliances, finding ways to repurpose them into something both functional and unique. These aren't just DIY projects. They're creative solutions to reduce waste and save money. Here's a quick tip for you: instead of buying single-use paper towels, consider making your own reusable cloths from old t-shirts. Not only is it more cost-effective in the long run, but it's also a fantastic way to cut down on paper towel waste. And don't worry, I've got plenty more DIY ideas coming your way, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about mindful shopping practices. When you walk into a store, ask yourself, do you really need what you're about to buy? Could you find a more eco-friendly alternative? This simple mindset shift can make a world of difference. Instead of impulsively grabbing the first item you see, take a moment to consider its environmental impact and whether it aligns with your sustainable goals. Remember, every small choice adds up to a greener, more sustainable future. Let's take a look at clothing, for example. Instead of falling for the latest fashion trends and buying new clothes every season, explore the world of thrifting and secondhand shopping. Not only will you find unique and affordable pieces, but you'll also reduce the demand for fast fashion, which has a significant environmental impact. Plus, imagine the satisfaction of giving a second life to a piece of clothing that might have otherwise ended up in a landfill. And here's a bonus tip for your next shopping spree: look out for discounts and coupons before you buy anything. Many stores offer exclusive deals and discounts for first-time buyers, so do a quick online search and see if there are any promo codes you can use to save some extra cash. It's a win-win situation. You get amazing products without burning a hole in your pocket. Finally, let's not underestimate the power of community support. Building a strong community around sustainability can make a significant impact. Think about the buzz in your neighborhood when neighbors start sharing tips on where to buy local and sustainable produce or how to fix broken appliances instead of throwing them away. By fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility, we can all contribute to a greener and more sustainable future while saving money. Imagine a community garden where neighbors come together to grow fresh, organic produce. These gardens not only provide access to healthy food, but also build a sense of community and shared responsibility for sustainability. And here's a pro tip for those who can't dedicate space in their own homes for gardening. Reach out to your local municipality or community centers. They might have vacant lots or spaces that can be transformed into community gardens. Who knows? You might just find a new hobby and make some friends along the way. Remember, you don't have to tackle sustainability alone. Lean on your community for support. Share resources and celebrate each other's successes. Together, we can create a ripple effect that inspires others to join our mission. So there you have it. 3 simple yet powerful categories that can transform your home into a hub of sustainable living without breaking the bank. Now let's dive into some specific tips and tricks that will empower you to make a real difference starting today. Get crafty with DIY projects. Turn old t-shirts into reusable cloths. Breathe new life into secondhand finds. Get creative and don't shy away from experimenting. Give pre-loved items a new lease on life and watch your sustainable journey unfold. Before you know it, you'll have a treasure trove of eco-friendly and budget-friendly items. Make mindful shopping choices. Think before you buy. Ask yourself if you really need it. Support eco-conscious brands and opt for products with minimal packaging. Every conscious decision you make contributes to a healthier planet. So keep asking questions and making informed choices. Your wallet will thank you later. Tap into the power of community. Connect with like-minded individuals, share resources, and support each other's sustainable journey. Attend local events, join community gardens, or simply reach out to your neighbors. By working together, we can create a ripple effect that inspires lasting change. Small steps lead to big changes. Remember, sustainable living isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Start with small changes, like reducing energy consumption, conserving water, or simply being more mindful of your consumption habits. Over time, these small steps will add up to big changes for both you and the planet. Every little effort counts, whether you choose to upcycle old furniture, make your own cleaning solutions, or support local farmers markets. You're taking a step towards a more sustainable and budget-friendly lifestyle. Don't wait. Start today and embrace the journey towards a greener, more affordable tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your own tips and tricks in the comments below. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching and happy sustainable living.